Hello, here's another A-level physics question on simple harmonic motion. If you want to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. So, a simple pendulum and a mass spring system have the same oscillation frequency at the surface of the Earth. The pendulum and the mass spring system are taken down a mine where the acceleration due to gravity is less than at the surface. What is the change in the frequency of the simple pendulum and the change in the frequency of the mass spring system? So, first of all, we've got some equations on our data sheet that will help us. Let's first of all have a look at the time period for a pendulum is equal to 2 pi multiplied by the square root of its length over gravitational field strength. Well, frequency is equal to 1 over the time period, so the frequency of a pendulum is equal to 1 over 2 pi multiplied by gravitational field, the root of gravitational field strength over length. So I can say that the frequency is proportional to the square root of the gravitational field strength. So if I reduce the gravitational field strength, I will reduce the frequency of a pendulum. So it's one of those two lines. What about for a mass spring system? Well, let's use the equation for a mass spring system for its time period. Its time period is equal to 2 pi over the square root of mass over spring constant. So we can see in this equation there is no G, there is no gravitational field strength. The time period and therefore the frequency of a spring mass system is not proportional, is not dependent upon gravitational field strength. So wherever we take a spring mass system in the universe, whatever the gravitational field strength, the time period and the frequency will remain unchanged. So the answer is D. If that was useful, subscribe, like and share and keep watching these videos to help you with your A-level physics revision.